Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create an animal portrait with Imagine AI art generator. So, let's begin. Step 1. Launch your creative expedition by entering your Imagine AI art generator dashboard. Step 2. If it is not already in default mode, click on the text to image icon. Step 3. It's time to breathe life into your brand. Forge a creative prompt such as a vibrant portrait of a parrot displaying its colorful feathers. Showcase its radiant feathers and captivating patterns. Step 4. Ignite the magic. Click the generate button and let the power of AI do its work. A moment of anticipation. And step 5. Behold the evolution. Witness your imagination materialize into brilliance. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on generate again. And there you have it. Creating an animal portrait with Imagine AI art generator is a journey of imagination and creativity. Start crafting your unique logos today and watch your brand come to life. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.